In this lecture, we are going to learn about median, the second term of statistics. First, we learnt about mean, how to find mean by direct method, assumed mean method, and step deviation method. Now, median. What is median? Median is basically central number. So, suppose you have numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, first step will be that to arrange the numbers either in increasing order or decreasing order. Here the numbers are already arranged in increasing order. So what we will do, we will just find the middle number. So there are two methods for this thing. If the number of observations here, if the number of observations is odd, suppose n is odd, we have only one middle number, and that middle number can be find out. We will write that median is equal to n plus 1 by 2th term. So in this case my n is what? 7. So we can write 7 plus 1 by 2th term, which is 8 by 2 means 4th term. So my 4th term is what? 1, 2, 3, 4. So which is 4. Correct? Now suppose I am just adding one more number. If my n is even number, if n is even, what is n? N is total number of observations, right? So if n is even, we have two middle number actually. If you look at here, 4 and 5, these are at the center of all the data. So we will just find out the formula. Formula for median will be, so median 1. The first median will be n by 2th term, means for in this case n is what? 8. So 8 by 2, 4th term. Correct? And the second median, which is m2, is just n by 2 plus 1. N by 2 plus 1th term. So n by 2 is already 4. 4 plus 1 is 5th term. 5th term is here 5. This was 4. Correct? So we have two medians, 4 and 5 in this case. Now what we can do, we can take average of these two medians. So basically my median is what? m1 plus m2 divided by 2, which is 4 plus 5 divided by 2, 4.5. Correct? So in this way we can find the median in raw data, ungrouped data you can see, right? But whenever the data is grouped like this, class interval and frequency is also given, then how to find the median? Let us do this. Okay, so here we have taken a group data, which is class interval is 0 to 10, 10, 20, 30 like this, class size is 10 and frequency is also given. So here what we will do, we will find the cumulative frequency, CF. CF means cumulative frequency. How to calculate this? We will just keep on adding the next frequencies. For example, here the frequency is 3, so we will write 3 only. Now the next frequency is 5, so we will add this 3 plus 5, this is 8. Then 8 plus 4, so we will keep on adding the next frequencies. 12 plus 2 and 14 plus 6, 20. Here also sum of frequency will come as 20. This is the checkpoint, that your last CF should be equal to the total frequency, right? So once you calculate the CF, right, next is, now this 20 we have already termed this as sigma Fi. This is also denoted by capital N. Okay, capital N is also sum of all frequencies. So my first step would be to find n by 2. Since we are finding the middle term, central number, so what we have done, n by 2. So n by 2 is my what? 20 by 2, which is 10. Now we need to search for this 10 in CF, right? For example, 3 doesn't include 10, 8 less than 10, 12 is more than 10, right now? So 10 comes in this interval only. 10 is larger than 8, so it is not in this interval. 10 is where? In this interval, right? So this interval, since 10 is coming in this interval only, this is called as my median class. Remember this thing, right? Every time you need to find first n. First you need to calculate the CF, then you find n, which is what? Sum of all frequency. Then you need to find n by 2, whatever number will be there, you need to search for that number in CF, not in F, in CF. Correct? So in CF, this interval includes number 10, because this number 10 is greater than this CF. So basically, if you can look for this number, interval which has greater than this number will become the median class. Okay. So once we have got the median class, I will tell you the formula for median. What is my median? Median as the formula is L plus n by 2 minus CF upon F multiplied by H. Now we will look at all the terms one by one, how to get all the numbers. This n by 2 we know this. N by 2 is what? 10. Okay. Let us check the other numbers also. Now see, first number is what? L. Right? L is basically the lower limit of median class. We have already identified the median class. L is what? The lower limit of median class. L is lower limit of median class. Correct? Then what is F? F is frequency of median class. This is my F. This is my L. Right? Then what is my H? Size of class interval. What is the size of class interval? 10. Upper limit minus lower limit. Upper limit minus lower limit, which is 30 minus 20, which is what? 10. Okay. Now the only thing left is what? CF. What is my CF? CF is the cumulative frequency previous to middle class. Means this is my CF. Correct? So here the frequency was 4. Lower limit was 20. Now we have to put values here. So my median value, lower limit is 20, n by 2 is 10, CF is 8, frequency is 4, H is 10. 20 plus 2 by 4 into 10. 20 plus 5, which is 25. This is the answer. Right? So in this way, we can find median by using median formula. This is the formula for median. Clear?